Morning Cactus people, we've got another unboxing today, which is brilliant. This parcel is from C V Cacti in Bognor Regis, which it's Chris and Vicky, who used to work for the RHS at Kew Gardens, I believe. So I ordered it a week or two ago, and then they sent me an email saying they were holding off because there was frost threatened, which I thought was excellent. They didn't want this sitting in the back of a post office van somewhere and getting too cold. So, but a few days later, and it's arrived, and I've forgotten what I've ordered, which is great. So, bit of a surprise there. Nice delivery note and a little leaflet all about their little cactus enterprise, which looks brilliant. We'll look at that in a bit. And I've ordered Choreo Cactus, an Echinocereus triglockidatus, which I've been after for a while, and a Loxantha cereus, which there's a free gift in there as well, a Gymnocalycium albumenium, which I wasn't expecting that. Thank you very much. So, without any further ado, it's very nicely packaged. Take the packaging out. And then get rid of the big box, because I know that's in front of the camera and you don't want to be looking at a box. So yeah, let's move that. These are wonderfully packed right in the middle, no damage whatsoever in the post, which is excellent. And this in fact was the first parcel that has been delivered direct to the bothy. Our regular postman is away and he doesn't normally bring things down here. So quite surprised to come back and find a parcel here. So I'll have to rip that, get into it. Ooh, and this one is the Loxantha cereus hoaxii, which is from Paul, which has got a PH number there, is field collection number. Let's have a look at him. Of course it's winter and they're nice and dry and all looking asleep, but lovely specimen, gorgeous roots on him. So, put that to one side with the label, and let's go on to the next one. I became aware of C V Cacti from our friend Magda's video the other day, from Cactus and Cactus. She received a delivery from them and left a link on her video, and I had a little look, and they've got some marvellous plants there, so I thought, ooh, I'm having some of those. And this one is the free gift, the Gymnocalycium albumenium, and again that's got a collection number on it, which I shall put these on the stills afterwards rather than you trying to see them now. Okay, lovely little plant, and gorgeous roots on it, some very good roots, excellent. This one will make Daz jealous, I hope. Move into his Gymnocalyciums. Super stuff. Ooh, it's like Christmas at the end of February here, isn't it? Of course we've got the extra day today, which you don't normally get to February the 29th, do you? So make full use of it. And this one is the Echinocereus triglockidatus. Try say that again. Triglockidatus, which I shall have to master trying to say that. I've been after this one for a while. I've tried to grow it from seed a couple of times and the seed hasn't germinated. So well pleased to get that one there. Very hardy. If you keep them dry, they can be hardy down to silly temperatures. Which it's got a few pups on the side, so it would be interesting to grow one of those and just try it outside. I'm not saying I'm going to plant the whole things outside straight away, but I'll try it in the outside bed with the other cacti I've got out there, which incidentally are looking fine. I've had a look at those in the past couple of days, and despite the cold temperatures and horrible rain over the winter, I've had to cover them over this year, which I don't normally do, and it's just rained non-stop here in Kent. And the last one Ooh, the Cory Cactus species JN1512. Which is excellent. We can look up a bit more detail about that one. There was a reason I got this, but I can't remember what it was at the moment. But gorgeous specimens. So, thank you very much, Chris and Vicky. And that's super stuff. And I shall put stills up at the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, everyone.